camping trailers are some of the incredible ways to blend in nature, along with all the modern amenities. But as we move forward with technologies, these camping trailers aren't bound to those usual amenities and features. Instead, they're coming with out-of-the-box designs and boundless facilities, and some aren't even bound to only land anymore. So lean back and enjoy our list of those amazing camping trailers that are on another level.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Although its name is Earth Traveler Teardrop, but its advanced design technology makes it more than just a teardrop trailer. Carbon fiber construction is light enough for towing with the smallest car, while the toughest makes it durable for off-road. Now, the most exciting part is its innovative design, featuring expandable sections each and every side, leaving enough indoor space for living comfortably in the wilderness. Open wide living space, lightweight build, compactness, and solar panels for sustainable energy. Everything come in a pack with the Earth Traveler Teardrop. Want to keep things more uncomplicated? Well, then give the Stockman Rover a try. Just like the previous one, this trailer is also a compact teardrop trailer with simpler amenities. Now, these amenities include a queen-size bed with inner springs, a proper entertainment system, and most importantly, the cabin is insulated. Then comes the ergonomic kitchen on its rear side, featuring every little accessory for a tasty meal in the great outdoors. Want to have a smoky treat? No worries, just pull out the swing-out barbecue. Off-roading capability of the trailer is also impressive, with its dual-shock suspension. Got too dusty after all the off-road adventure? Just take out the shower tent and have a refreshing bath. One cannot expect more from a teardrop trailer, eh? We just cannot think of something classier than the Airstream 2022 Pottery Barn Special Edition. Can you? I mean, when the elegant exterior design of Airstream gets along with top-notch interior design of the famous Pottery Barn, things are supposed to get heated, right? This Pottery Barn Special Edition has an elegant and the most eye-catching interior on the list. Innovative home systems and efficiently placed furniture won't let anyone feel they're on a camping trailer. Instead, it'll feel more like home. Well, the Motorhome Escape 2 literally lets anyone escape the boredom and spend a great time on the water. This amphibious camping trailer is large enough to accommodate the whole family, and obviously has enough amenities for one. Double 40, 50, or 60 horsepower Suzuki motors are powerful enough for cruising through the lake, while the cockpit is intuitive for more straightforward control. Amenities of this camping trailer include a complete kitchenette, both reserved and natural water supply, a self-sustainable solar system, and whatnot. Want to spend the night floating on water, but don't want the bulkiness of the Escape 2? In that case, Kaiinteria Takahashi Minibig can be that compact and simpler option for solo or duo campers. This Japanese amphibian trailer has a compact shape to rock both roads and waterways. Its single motor configuration can provide proper propelling power on the lake, while its clean and straightforward interior will keep anyone cozy. So no matter its user wants to chill on the campsite or on water, the Minibig can rock both. Hitch Hotel is just what anyone will think by hearing the name. It's an expandable wheelless trailer that fits on that car hitch. The trailer expands smoothly to create ample living space in the wilderness. Its interior has the suitable ambiance to make anyone feel comfortable on the journey, while the attached taillight ensures proper safety on the road. Romotow, an innovative one with intelligently utilized living space to be added to the list. The concept of this impressive camper trailer is among us for an adequate period, and it seems like their developers are taking too long to perfect it for launching. The trailer rotates smoothly to create an L-shaped vast living area on the campsite. The concept looks interesting enough for consideration, and let's hope it comes out soon for campers. Okay, we all are familiar with the clean and classic, almost 90-year-old signature design of Airstream, right? But the Airstream Basecamp 20 seems to have a new and innovative design with compactness. In addition, the Basecamp 20 comes in a larger form factor than its previous model, which stays in a sweet spot. Not too small, not too big. The outlook still reflects classiness, and the interior now has ample space to rock the campsite with friends. A sturdy structure makes it perfect for off-roading, so that its users always stay prepared for the adventure. Too tired to set up the pop-up trailer? No worries, as the X1H from Patriot Camper is an innovative pop-up trailer that deploys on its own. Rugged build and perfectly balanced off-road tires make it well prepared to rock the remote campgrounds, so harsh environments and extreme road conditions aren't something to bother anymore. In addition, this automated camping trailer has powerful solar capability, giving you enough power whenever or wherever needed. One may take any camper trailer behind their truck, but are they as capable as the Opus OP15? Well, you decide for yourself. This hybrid camping trailer comes with a rugged yet elegantly finished exterior with full off-roading capability, making it a regal choice for an extreme expedition or overlanding. Expeditions and overlanding trips make you hungry? Don't worry, as it's got a pull-out kitchenette with every necessary item, including a mini freezer from Dometic. Then comes its expandable pop-up roof for enough headroom and a spacious interior. Amenities like a queen-size bed, entertainment system, and proper solar power make it well suited for adventures. So that was our list of amazing camping trailers that are on another level. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.